Hi, I'm Photographer Kiki. My job is to take great photos of our customers. The customer is here. Photographer Kiki, let's get started. Hello.
Hello, Photographer Kiki.
Hello. What can I do for you?
Can you take a set of portrait photos of my daughter?
Huh? No problem. You can count on me. We need to choose some suitable equipment before taking photos. Polaroid instant camera. Photographic paper box. The equipment has been chosen. Let's start to assemble the camera. Open the back cover of the camera. This is where we put the photographic paper box. Press the button and the lens will come out. The camera is ready. Let's work on other preparations. It's so dark in the photo studio. Let's set up photography lighting so we can take bright photos of our customers. Fill light. Softbox. Background light. Background light. The lighting arrangement is complete. It looks amazing. Choose a backdrop you like. This outfit looks nice. Are you ready? Let's start taking photos. 3, 2, 1. Say, let's take photos. 3, 2, 1. Let's put some new toys. You can change into another outfit. It looks great. Let's take another one. Photos taken with the Polaroid instant camera come out black at the beginning. Expose them to a warm light and the image will show up. Look, the image appears! Wow, amazing! Put the photos in the album. Hello. Hello. What can I do for you? I would like to have some ID photos taken. No problem. You can count on me. We need to choose some suitable equipment before taking photos. Digital camera. Photographic paper box. Camera battery. Standard lens. The equipment has been chosen. Let's start to assemble the camera. First, open the battery cover of the camera. Digital cameras need to use batteries. Then remove the lens cap. Finally, install the lens. The camera is ready. Let's work on other preparations. It's so dark in the photo studio. Let's set up photography lighting so we can take bright photos of our customers. Softbox, fill light, background light. The lighting arrangement is complete. It looks amazing. I would like to have ID photos with white background taken. No problem. Do you know which items need to be removed? The silk scarf should also be neatly tied.
Yeah.
We are done tidying up. Let's take photos. Oh no! The lens is not focused on the customer. Can you help adjust the lens? Drag the button to make the image clear.
Yeah.
Let's take photos. 3, 2, 1. All set. Next, let's process the photos. First, let's upload the photos to the computer. Next, drag the photos to spread across the... Great job! We can print photos with a printer. Thank you, Photographer Kiki. I love the photos taken by you.
Friends, I think you haven't clicked subscribe. Please click to support this channel. Thank you.